how to fix Viber problems on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Viber problems on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll all the way down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Viber, click on it, and first go to notifications and allow all of those notifications here, calls, mentions, all of those, and then go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, storage and all of those, and then go to storage, clear cache, and go to data usage and also allow all of those, and now click for stop, and that's it. Your problems must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.